Hello and namaste everyone. I'm Dr. Reena Jain, naturopathic nutritionist specialized in cancer nutrition. I'm excited to share my top 3 natural sugar substitute. This is important because many artificial sweeteners have been linked to health concerns, including being classified as possible cancer-causing substances by the World Health Organization. Many of you have been asking, what can we have instead of sugar? I don't like chemical sweeteners because they are not natural and can have side effects. That's why I prefer these 3 natural options. Number 1 is stevia. This is a natural sweetener derived from a plant called Stevia rebaudiana. The best part is that it has a 0 calories and doesn't spike blood sugar levels, making it a great choice for anyone looking to reduce sugar intake. Next is monk fruit. This sweet fruit has been used in Chinese medicines for centuries. Like stevia, it has very few calories and minimal side effects. It's perfect for adding sweetness to drinks or desserts. Finally, we have Yacon Syrup. This syrup comes from the root of Yacon plant. Its sweetness comes from natural sugars, which means it has about 20 calories per tablespoon, much less than maple syrup, which has around 52 calories. Plus, it's great for digestion. So if you want to stay healthy and reduce your sugar intake, consider using these 3 sugar sweeteners instead. For more tips and healthy choices, make sure to follow me. I would love to hear from you. What are your favorite natural sweeteners? Share them in comments below.